Hey children, how's going? Okay, everyone is completing homework, classwork on time? Yes, very good. So today we are going to see letter Y and letter Z. Okay, so come on, open your textbook, page number 2626. Open karo. Yes, first of all, put the date 13th of October at the top of the page. Come on, write date 13th of October. Okay, so this is capital Y and this is small y. Capital Y, small y. Y says year, yarn. Y says year, yarn. Okay, so they have given the spelling of yarn, so we are going to trace the spelling. Come on, trace karo. I have already traced it. You have to trace it right now. Okay, chalo trace karo. Y-A-R-N, yarn. Y-A-R-N, yarn. Y-A-R-N, yarn. Okay, chalo, come on, finish it fast. Completed everyone? Okay, now coloring will be homework. Now come to the sentence. Okay, see the first sentence. G-I-V-E, give. M-E, me. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-A-R-N, yarn. A-N-D, and. N-E-E-D-L-E-S, needles. TWO, two. So sentence is give me yellow yarn and needles too. Okay, give me yellow yarn and needles too. Okay, so come to the next sentence. TO2, MAKE, make. A SWAEATER, sweater. FOR, for. YOU, to make a sweater for you. Here you are going to circle the word YARN, yarn, NEEDLES, needles, MAKE, make, and SWEATER, sweater. Okay, so the whole sentence is give me yellow yarn and needles to make sweater for, to make a sweater for you. Got the sentence, everyone? Okay, now come to the filling the missing letter. See, what is this picture? This is I. This is I. So spelling of I is E-Y-E-I. So what will come in between? Between two E, it will come Y. Okay, E-Y-E-I. Okay, this is key. This is key. Spelling of key is K-E-Y. Key. Come on, write Y. K-E-Y, key. Finish, everyone? Okay, next is B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. And the last one, T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y, toy. Finish, everyone? Letter Y. Page number 96 is over. Okay, now come to the next page. This is letter Z. Z says Z, 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 zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Okay, capital Z and small z. Okay, now spelling, we have to trace the spelling of the zebra. Come on, trace the spelling of the zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Come on, finish it fast. Okay, now here color the zebra. So which are the black strips you can see over here? You have to give the black color to this black strips. Okay. Now come to the sentence. Ready with your pencils? Okay. T-H-E, the. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. L-I-V-E-S, leaves. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. Z-O-O, zoo. The sentence is the zebra lives in the zoo. The zebra lives in the zoo. Okay, now come to the next sentence. W-O-U-L-D, wood. Y-O-U-U, L-I-V-E, leave. T-H-E-R-E, there, comma, T-O-O-2. Okay, so here we are going to circle the word zebra, to the word zoo, to the word wood, and the word T-O-O-2. Okay, so sentence is the zebra lives in the zoo. Would you live there too? Got the sentence? Okay. Now come to the filling the missing letter. This is a number 0. So which letter will come? Z. Z-E-R-O, 0. Come on, write Z in the missing place. Now this is maize. This is maize. See, rabbit wants to eat this carrot. So he has to pass this whole road. He has to pass this whole road. So that is this place is called maze. This place is called maze. It is like a puzzle. Okay, this what we called it? We called it maze. M-A-Z-E, maze. Next, prize. P-R-I-Z-E, prize. When you win something, so what you got? You got prize. You got prize. Okay. Next, Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. I hope all of you finished this letter Y and letter Z. Now I want you to open the capital cursive book. Okay, come on, open karo capital cursive book and page number 8. Put today's date, 13th of October. Come on. Okay, so here they have given the pattern. Okay, this pattern you have to start with this red line. You have to start with this red line. 1, 2, 3. In the first red line, you have to draw this pattern. So how you are going to draw? You have to start from this line. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. As you can see, they have already given the dots. You just have to join this dot properly. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now see in the next column. See here they have given. It is like a number 3. So you can draw this pattern as a number 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Got it, everyone? Okay, the same way you have to complete the whole page as well as this page. Now come to the next pattern. Okay, next pattern, it is like a capital U. As you can see, I have already traced this pattern. Okay, one more pattern I will show you how to draw this pattern. You have to start from this red line. Okay, and again I am telling you, you have to use this first 3 lines. Okay, so 1, this is a capital U we have to draw. 1, 2, 1, 2. Got it? Properly draw it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Got it, everyone? Now here, see the pattern how they are drawn. Okay, you have to start from here like this. Okay, you have to draw like this. Okay, start from the red line, go up. It is like a snake, as you can see. See? Yes, no? Got it, everyone? So this is the same way you have to complete this. For this is page number 10 and page number 11. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now we have to complete. We are going to write the capital cursive A, capital cursive A. How you are going to write this capital cursive A? Okay, you have to see. While you are writing while you are starting capital cursive A, you have to start from this third blue line. Okay, so you have to like this 1, 2, 3, and like this. Okay, again on the blank this column I'm drawing this. See, you have to start from here. 1, go up till red line, again come down. Okay, now like this. Got it, everyone? One more time I'll tell you. See, start from this blue line, go up, come down, and like this. Got it, everyone? Okay, so first page I have completed. So you also have to complete this page number 12 and page number 13. Okay, and you have to draw each and every letter exactly below the above letter. एक line, your letter should be look like in a one line. Okay, ऐसे नहीं करना एक A आप यहाँ पे लिखने वाले, एक A यहाँ पे. You have to write in a proper line, तो ही आपकी हैंडराइटिंग अच्छे से दिखने वाली है. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस होमवर्क टिल ऑन Friday. You can show me this homework on Friday. So till then, bye.